Namaste to all. Today we know Mananiya Eknathji Punyatithi. So today we will think about Eknathji little bit. So we think about his character and we try to follow in our life also. That character we try to follow in our life. Was born in 1914 in Maharashtra, Amravati district, and his childhood onwards, he's showing his personality is there. No, it's very good personalities are there. So he's expressed well. We can read his book and through his lecture, we know well. So one of the example, when he was in child with his mother, he went to an exhibition that is related to freedom fighter. That is that is independent we not get. So freedom movement is going on. So the time he visited, so many statues are there. So in that statue, one of the most important person is Bala Gangadhar Tilak statue is there with 4 hands. The child saw the statue. He saw he is a person. So only human being means only 2 hands are there. How 4 hands are there? What purpose they become like 4 hand statues like that? Then he is asked to his mother. She replied, "Who's are doing work to the nation? Who's are serving to the nation? They are also equal to God." So that word he took to his mind, and he is thinking in the childhood, I also should do service for this nation only. Then he have so many brothers. So he stayed with elder brother in Nagpur. So that time 1925 RSS was formed, and 1926 that branch was extended in Nagpur. So that time his brother-in-law is a responsible. He took responsibility in RSS. So with him, he is also attended Saha, everything. So slowly, he got that patriotism and service mind. He got that mind. Then he took responsibility in RSS, and when he was in childhood, no, that time he saw so many poor people, and he planned to do service to this nation. And when he was in college time, he suffered a lot because of poorness, illness. He's not a rich person, so that he struggled so many times. And very interesting thing is in life, that is Bible class. He is only mentioned Bible class. In their college, they mention every week they will conduct Bible class. All students should attend. Then only they can get scholarship, everything. So he is attending and ask so many questions related to Bible, and he's give definition, so many examples given through given from Bhagavad Gita. So slowly what happened, that Bible class has converted to Bhagavad Gita class. So that principle everybody knows, then they got angry because they are trying to convert us. But this fellow came, and one student come and doing like this work. Then they get angry. Then they told, you left from this class. You don't want to come, we will give attendance to you. Like that they will mention. But he told, no, I want to learn more thing in Bible. Like that he told, and he continuously attended. that thing is very helpful for his life also. He's one time he suffered for paying fees. He not have money, so the date has extended. After he paid late, later he paid. That time the principal told, the management told, you don't, we are not allowed to write your exam because your pay fees very late. So like that they mentioned. Then he told, and principal suggests one thing. So I give one opportunity to you. You collect letter from all lecturers. I want to see your attendance because he is joined RSS. No, so he is very good worker in RSS. So he's so many days he took leave and he worked well. So they told like that. Then he planned to ask that Bible, who's that Bible class? No, that lecturer. He went and meet him. Like that, I want one letter. I'm attending your class regularly, so please give one letter. Like that, he told, and he collect the letter. He hand over to the principal, and he's written there his exam. So, like this, he's faced so many problems, and he's learned so many messages, experience. And once he stayed with Guruji Golwarkar. That time RSS was banned, so the people are against RSS. That time that local people are trying to kill this Guruji Golwarkar. So they planned to murder. This information no, Egnaji no. So he planned to escape. Our Guruji Golwarkar, he planned something. So he planned one car and shifting like that, he's planned well. So he entered to Guruji's room and he's informed like that local people are planned to murder you. So you please shift your place. I also arranged one vehicle. That vehicle is an outside. So you just shift after 6 o'clock, after your prayer, immediately we will move to other place. Like that he is planned. He was planned like that. That time Guruji very calm. He's said, so I am working for these people. So what they are doing, they do no problem. If they want to kill me, no problem, because I am doing work for them only. So if they want to live with me, or if they want to kill me, no problem. That is not in my hand. So that is God grace. So we will do our work. I will not come with you. You just move. So you don't call our Swayam Sevak also. So whatever it's there, let it be move. Like that he told. And one more incident is there. It is related to his mission. How Egnaji's vision is there. When that rock memorial construction was going on, that time with his friend Sujit there. Both also they are walking near the beach. The beach they are walking. That time Egnaji asked to Sujit there. He saw that hand to the rock. What is there in rock? Like that he is asking. That Sujit told, only rock is there. He is asking once again, what are you seeing there in that rock? Then he said, same rock only is there around sea waters are there. Like that he is telling. Then after some time, Sujit asked to Egnaji, what is there in rock? Like that he asked. That time Egnaji replied, I am seeing the Swamiji's rock, that memorial is there, very grand memorial is there, I am seeing. So before construction only he is imaginate well, and when he is started the construction, that time only he is planned to start Vivekananda Kendra also. So after complete that construction 1972 he started Vivekananda Kendra. When this northeast start also he got in 1950 when he is posted in northeast region as a pracharak. That time only he got that idea. That time only his focus northeast. And after Vivekananda Kendra was started after 1972. He's not written any books related to VRM, means Rock Memorial. He's given lectures to the life workers that through that lectures only that book was published. So like that, very simple man. And after construction also, one name also not written related to Egnaji. And that rock memorial we can see no name is there. This person only organized, this person only coordinate, nothing, one word also not there. 2014 only, central government forcefully given one, what do you say, some notice is there. So Egnaji only organized this work like that. 2014 means his 100th birth anniversary celebration time they given, central government only, you please do, because he did very big work, but his name is not published. So like that they mention. And when that life workers also, he's giving training everything alone only. And once in Kanyakumari, one Didi, I think Sujata Didi maybe, she is in Kanyakumari. That time she went for some work in other area. She's not reached to that dinner time. So he's worried about that Didi. Then I think Nivetita Didi maybe. She's Nivetita Didi or I don't know. Nivetita Didi. Maybe. Then he's worrying because one Karyakarta went, she's still not reached. Then he's worrying. Then he's waiting late night, up to late night. Then sees Didi reach safely. Maybe some issue happened, that vehicle issue happened. So he's carrying everyone. So I want to share some characters about Egnaji, and I conclude that convenience, power, and courageousness, and vision, and way of living. So these are the qualities I saw from Egnaji. So I am also trying to follow that qualities. So the way of simplicity, no. So we learn from Egnaji. Very simple person. Thank you. Thank you for this opportunity.